A lot of you are watching this storm very closely, as you may have family or friends living down in this area of Florida. Tonight, Western New York natives preparing to ride out the storm on the Gulf Coast share what it's like with our Jordan Johnson.
From cheering on her bills to keeping Buffalo on her front step, Lori Essenberg is a Western New Yorker through and through. But now with Hurricane Helene churning toward her home in Port Richey,
I think I would rather take a blizzard.
Lori tells me she's trying to work through the stress of trying to get back to the 716 to see her grandchildren.
I actually am supposed to still be in New York. My husband's still in New York right now. So it's a little nerve-wracking, especially since I've never done this and I never thought I would be doing it alone.
Lori has elevated her desk and computer items to keep them above water. And after receiving this alert early Thursday morning, she hopes she can still make her early morning flight on Friday to Buffalo.
So I was like, oh, there's no way I'm getting out. But they had me check into my flight today, so it's not canceled yet. So we'll see.
Meantime, other former Western New Yorkers like Chelsea Fleming are trying to encourage others who live in Florida to take it seriously.
Even though you might not be in the direct path, those squalls can still produce a lot of damage, and they're going to wrap around the entire state. So stay safe.
And back here in Western New York, 8 Days of Hope is calling on the community to help those who will be without power, food, and water.
We're anticipating that power could be out in parts of Florida for weeks, and that is astronomical. And so that'll be one of the first responses that 8 Days of Hope does. And we're really excited that our team, they've already spent the week prepping and preparing meals.
The hope is that others give what they can to help those in the path of destruction.
Every dollar you give is going to go and stay in those communities who are so devastated by this disaster.
You can find more ways to donate on WKBW.com. Jordan Johnson, 7 News.